Good afternoon, long time no see. It's that time of year again, things are happening, and Mark Kempster has very nicely sent out some jigsaw powder. No, see if I do it. No, that's the wrong way. Cameras are rubbish. There we go. Jigsaw powder. If I can get the light from stop shining on it, there you go. So, I believe it was a down in one challenge, and I did have, at his request I might add, a little finger dip of it yesterday so that I could let him know what the flavour was like. It is absolutely stunning, really sweet, really nice flavour, really fruity and really insanely hot. So I have a spoon because I'm not going to try and chug that out the bag. I'll end up with it in my eyes, up my nose and everything. So I'm going to empty it. Oh, can you see that? There you go. Empty it onto the spoon. Hang on a minute, not got it all. There, I'm still with it. There we go. Empty bag. So, there we go. Beautiful colour. Smell is absolutely astounding, and I am absolutely terrified. I have made myself banana, yogurt, honey. It's all munched up in here. And I have, wait, I put that spoon down just now, a bottle of water to wash it down with. That's me drowned. I have a bottle of water just to take a couple of mouthfuls to wash it down with, because I'm not great with any kind of powder, medicinal or otherwise. So, here goes nothing. Stuck behind my teeth and everything. Right, well, I know from the dip yesterday that it's a bit of a creeper. Oh, I should have shown you the spoon, by the way. There you go. It's a bit of a creeper. I can feel the heat in the back of my mouth where I've swallowed it. The flavour is absolutely stunning. Really, really nice. I'm going to cough in a minute because it's now starting to creep up on me. That's hot. That's chewing jaggy wire. It is insanely hot. I don't know if you can see, but I've actually come out in a sweat. Tongue's on fire. Top of my throat feels like I've been gargling with bleach after scrubbing it with a wire brush or something. It's, the flavour just is still there though. It's so intense. It is absolutely stunning and so hot. Excuse me a second. Water. I'm getting the bits that were stuck in my lips and behind my teeth. So the rest of my mouth is now burning like hell. It's definitely growing fast. My tongue feels like it's swelling up. I'm sweating. Oh, not a good look. Where it touched on my lips are on fire. I feel like that kind of look. And the tip of my tongue, where I use my tongue to scrape it off the spoon, well, I think I've just, feels like I've been licking blowtorches. It is absolutely astoundingly hot. Probably everybody else is going to say it's